Hi, I'm John McLeod from Classic Instruments, and today I'm going to talk to you about the SN52, which is our 100 PSI oil pressure sending unit. Each one of these sending units are included in every one of our kits. They come with a 1/8 national pipe thread connection on the end, and we supply you with all the brass fittings needed for your application. The important part of this is how to hook up your sending unit wire onto each one. You will see that we supply a single nut, a lock washer, and a standard washer. What you need to do is take your sending unit wire, put it over the washer, put the lock washer on top of that, and then the nut. Tighten that nut down as far as you can with your fingers, and then holding the wire with one finger, take a nut driver and tighten it until you feel the resistance or it wanting to move that wire. Once it wants to move that a little bit more, and that's as tight as it needs to be. At that time, you can move this a little bit to make it fit your application. That's all the tighter it needs to be for years of service and proper connection to your instrument. If you have any questions, contact us at 1-800-575-0461, and we want to thank you for choosing Classic Instruments for your finishing touch.